Welcome and thank you for joining us on this episode of Off the Pitch with TK. This is our YouTube channel, TK Sound and Visual TV. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos. My name is TK and I'll be your host for this season. Today in our studio, our guest is someone who plays for Free State Stars, SuperSport United, Moroka Swallows, FCAK, among other teams. His name is Pitso Lekolo. Pitso, thank you very much for joining us in our studio and welcome.
Thank you, TK, and the viewers.
How are you?
I'm okay, and you, bro?
I'm good, man. Long time. Are you good?
Aye. Well, I'm good.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Pitso, we know Rotswako Valley. O golela kae ko Valley?
Ke bolela Valley ko zone 11 Sebokeng. Ke bolela la me a bitsa me Malkoni. Le batso ke family ya Taiwan ya mme ke uletse ke mme ke usitse ke mme wa ka le nkgono wa ka. So re tswa a big family ya batho ba ba re tsotse le bangata go tlung. Ke mara ke di one ko le so re bula ile family fela. Like bana ba bo Makriza bo Malome wa Wangtol. Yeah.
So you always more a very big happy family. And no issues.
Hey, unonzo na di issues ba family mo na di issues starting.
Yeah. But for nabathu baba so normal go line.
Yeah, environment is yeah.
You get to know your cousin closer because you land under one roof. And then how do you get to professional?
Well, TK, ke started like mo started from the youth academy, which is Nel for Joy. Nagala was Steve Lukolia Mountain, related under 10, under 12, under 14, then Ratla Arozala Budi, Haipula Baroko Baroko, Timmy Biton Roko Baroko, Adala Buroko Baroko after that Roko Baroko, Adala the provincial tournaments like the Coca-Cola Cup, if you remember that tournament in the event in Etalayo, every district. So we trialing TK yeah but kitchen yaga kitsamile ka lo dlala ka lo trial pele ke try ko ke started trial ko Val Professional wa Val Professional. Yeah ke bile ke trial le bona bo Peter Khwabani. Then after mo I moved to team yengwe nyana e bitang Bush Parks in a little trial le lona mo I didn't tell you that I'm a handler man. Right, but I was telling myself what again into Akain.
Yeah,
because by that time Steve Lugoya in SL Dalabu PSL China Masondo, Nasadalago PSL, and obviously one from the youth academy. Then after that, Tangoge Rodmale, the late Basil Mahalan, which is Nelly PRO. Yeah, Val Professional. Kiena logo olang scouta, anga ang kisa go di trialing. So kana go next time like a choice. Cause now feel option say to either you go to SuperSport or you go to Free State Stars.
But SD try.
TK. Kita mele oval ka 60 rand. 60 rand football from Val to Free State.
So you opted for Free State?
You can night listing one is. I feel mo free number, I feel mo tla mekereke a time. You mekereke ke chokreka khati tsa di Telkom a di bona. Tsa di phone. And then ke reka ntutse ya fitla mo ke fonela Tembastola at log pick up mo. That's when ke dula mo le trialing duty about 3 to 4 months. Secret trial. Then
what trial? I want a contract on it.
I think Vanaki Fit and Relbo about 600 the trialists. Then the kata as well. Up until banka 13.
From 600?
From 6.
Lidula guy by that time the 600 is
football in cruel straight.
Yeah.
Nerulera ko tlapa o sengwe be bitsango ba bitsa ndula khoa ke o sho replay ke play ke khoti o nodula di king kana go khale before ba bitsa a de ba qala bitsa Mdulaqhowa. So da mane ka re rekile apartment eng na sa bitsa clubhouse. So ne re dula mo TK re ja dijo tse ding TK o lenzema mara ka re batla ntwe
legitimisha dollar
legitimisha dollar.
Yeah.
So but now that time ne ke batla ntwe.
Yeah.
But I don't think in the right to treat that player like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. O ke sto phela ka o ja borotosi in two slide. Then o ja late ka bo 5. Motsare ha o jetse ba jila bo 5 fade it. More trainer twice. Zama ka pass. Pass I think retletse ka mo pass. Robala re le uma 15. Metse ka rumo e wana marumo a teng ne le right nyana le betetse o fonya. Ba marobala fatse ba mba. Mara yona it was the experience engwa.
Mara ntse le dintwana by then.
Be ne re dintwana. Yeah, I think I was 18.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're on the last 18.
Yeah.
Le first team, you know.
Yeah, ga ke tshore nda ne re do trial for first team.
Yes.
Yes. So then ra tried after na go go jotsa nga yona, then after that ba re sign ba re sign re 13 the likes of Jimmy Kauleza, Duncan Chisa, Hleza Mofedi, Tswe Mokoro, Nkosinathi, Lena Xaba.
Yes.
Yeah, Nkosinathi, Lena Xaba, yeah. And then I tried more. Then I was the first person lucky enough. We even now want choose about no. Mfana giti. Raunida kwena go batla.
Yeah.
Mara ke la ka khuzwa hampe ke mai kwena njwetsa re baba. Lona ba tswa Joburg. I know you. Na le clever nyala ba lona. Akbatle clever nyala ba lona bo. Then I accept because now ke batla ntwe.
Yes.
The nka kena details ka ofela ke re TK.
Yes.
Then our starter ba re jotsa re kola the salary tsa rona is 1,000 rand.
Alfil.
Harfil.
And then environment ya accommodation ya change. Now can little or the sheds on the still same place.
On the same place because you get to ya ka 1,000 rand.
Yeah.
Because now tla me rumele high. Remember, re dutse family in le family ya batho ba bangata. So by that time ne tla me ke se nyu ko dlale. Le nna still ke sa leka something. Ke chep ma 1,000 rand. Then I stayed there. I stood there. I gadlala. Ne ke signally a vision around one day. It was one of the big teams.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then one point after about 6 months, Jaba you know start moholo because contracting. Ono tile ba like over first 11 every time. O like regularly on call out on you. I can kill it 6 months, 1.5. Then gadlala. But now the way never cutting. Oh no. In a say right did o tena professional when now she below money level starting bona re IoT.
Yeah.
O hola nyo go ngata. Kana go gitola 1.5. And there was a game that time the Chiefs. Dr. Kumwale, he was one person in Alata Uruna. He go dressing, go tunneling.
Yeah.
Rana balaba, bomba 15 cover, bomba 1,500. You just call 1,500. It was there. They
go tunneling.
Go tunneling. Na balaba, 1,500. Or 1,500. They gave 15. They gave you 1.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then that's the journey. Then after that, I moved to the Super Sport. You're now approach like Pitso Msimane as coach. You're now approach.
So I would learn a quick local freeze or
duty 3 seasons. Yeah.
So Pitso, how will our first contract 1,000? Yeah, okay, 1.5. Ba sign alemang by that time because untwana. Ba bitsa di parents una le agent.
Ke na le agent ka ke ena motho a recommend lenda.
Like Basil Mahala. So ba buledishana le na gore no mfana ka Thomas.
Exactly.
But by then Zaka lebaka ko ba a professional soccer player.
Professional soccer player.
Yes.
Yeah, but now in ngawata because now in the research we wetsa la football ona le contract e bitswang o thola le like sign on fee. Yeah.
How did it
ne a ke tsebe kana quick a ke batla ba da. Yeah, but now motho le o la njwetsa re batho ba ba msokodisa ka sign on fee. tla mo mfesa no fi ha kono mfasa no fi then I'm just like no it will as long as nna ke le right yeah but now bontonyana tse jwala sentho tse tlamile di etswe di player nga tsa I think Leonardo Jena di teng tse jwalo player di assignwa ke di team but now ha di tsebe ho etsahala
yeah abashoka di contract tsa bona di sign one team go direla
so ntho tse jwale I don't think di right wa understand
yeah so now again Free State Stars will push it the market ile SuperSport is coming for you.
Yeah, SuperSport is coming for me. But SuperSport ile wana ya enjoy the options la enjoy tsa imona bona mfethu. Offer 3 for now. If
but how do go Free State? Contract if edile or ba go rekisha?
Ne next ka a season. Yeah.
So ora ba go rekisha.
E ba rekisha.
That's the
I don't know. I don't know but now but ba SuperSport pitso msimana o jwetsa mona mfethu o rekile ka 400,000 yeah so but bana bazama manje tse nix ba o tsho ba nkile nyoko ya ba yabo yeah zaga yini
so fitla SuperSport now
yeah fitla SuperSport yeah then I join SuperSport antsebisa maudumbo lefatshe kanti yo
how fitla SuperSport zaga ya improve from Free State
yeah obvious yeah Kira will move to the next team so offer
now we're moving from 1.5
to 4.5
yes
yeah.
Before tax or after tax so
before tax
4.5 so after tax we shall go ma 3
I'm fit
yeah but by then zaga isobelwaka passion ke yona nje go push
yeah ke yona nje mpusha
right
then I made
sign one fee
sign one fee na ke tsotse ko mo
o tsotse ko
SuperSport
lamsa mo re ne tla ka di piece
yeah ne tla ka di piece wa itse
yeah it's a me pay mo salary
yeah ba ke si not salary
o ba tlo depend this season
ba February next season ba February yeah up until uqeda
yeah but was it a lot
not so much yeah
then now you're a SuperSport player under Coach Pitso
assistant ke Thomas Marigare
the late now you're playing or you still finding your feet you're competing
no to be honest ke keni
o fitla
fela ke first game ya ka dlala first game ya ba mnati re dlala vets a gletsa mnati everyone abona re no promising but then treatment and rethola mole it was not right
by then did you like a clubhouse or everybody do like
no kana ko o tla choose etsa wena do like but we fought Lipito kana ndawo because azange dule fela ke fitla ka mo Pitori ka dula ka Pitori ntse ke travel vela
o dula
naturena se ke dula ofinyana ga o tsinyana le Pitori because ka by that time my lady na secret so I told ke khono balance for Pitori legacy
and by then SuperSport ijima TUT
ijima TUT
o fitla kanda
aka transport la ka park trans
so it's up to SuperSport
sana unfika reka trans
pa trans cash o ba trans e jwang by then
call for one yeah
so at least wa khona move wa
Jimmy khona move wa Jimmy khona la la hlaitse problem ko dlali
so no problem ya go the Coach Pitso who signed you from Free State Stars where does the problem start now
problem is that once ke dula go naturena amputsa re ke tlo dula le di player ke tlo dula le player ke tlo dula environment is right for nna ka mmotsa ka wa mo how right is wa o no valley ke nna le Steve Lukweli ya fela ha ona other player in kana go mo ibra pa ya mo PSL amputsa ga no wa tsika valley ka itse ko ena le cheaper fela so you cannot stay there because now these local the big names the problem is that there
o tlo lose focus
I lose focus so tla make dule man I'm very weird regular kana meeting ngo serious le Boston Matthews
go change modula
change environment ke dule plan kwa mane bana ke la tšhelete ngata so ha ona ntwe ke tlo yetsang focus close wa focus ke ra no ba jwetsa story se saka ke na ke breadwinner and I'm already a grand so tla make be ha ofinyana
but by that time when they are worried about your focus are you performing on the pitch
exactly my brother Dad I was so focused ne ke le focus plan ke sa itse ntho tse baya o understand bo outing next side se ke tswile ne ke batla no something ne ke bona wa bona so ne ke pele that thing ya re focus your no ke ba ke ipatla somewhere super sport it was not enough
yeah
ne ke ipatla like big teams.
So now the thing continues until when now? Do you get to resolve it? Do you move to Pretoria, or you say no, I'm not moving, I'm staying?
No, I had to move it out because of now. Next a regular play after
that thing, how you must change or do like
so ne ke ba teng my bra ne ke na lo nkwa like 8:20 churu normally ha re ya ko campong ra re 20 so 2 ki stand by if only anything can happen in the camp. So if one player limits kapo ya kula e tshwere ke bo flu so no kwa between standby to 2 years. So now there was the time ke le ko 18 ke le first line up ban change it fela nje
on that day notes about all on the lineup.
I get a football on the trainings everything pitso msiwa the philosophy ya yona o starta training performance ya starta training if you perform my training from Monday or Tuesday up until Friday Friday se re tseba first 11 ke moma
yeah
le tactically the way I did toka teng o santsa o bontsha
no kala tsa di bips di a bolela
it's like 11 first 11 wa bona go these people ke bona ba lo dlala so o santsa o se re bona se re tseba ra no
so on that Friday it was clear gore o dlala
ke teng
yeah
so come to the game camping every day it's like each and every gaming har dlala gaming after pre-match meal committee
team talk
team talk yeah team talk re bua ka tactically wa reminder ba fetso di the one who got strong ke mang in wena go batla in wabo wantol maybe sa almost someone usa thotse information at team e dlala le yona usa lo bua o jwetsa ra no this man ha dlala this week so say change and then antwetsa ra no this time o da mo 18 o 20 o dutsimane mo grandstanding and tactical change ka re senki mhlatjwa ke player itlile ka ena mo ona mkhusha academy ya ka Soweto
so kena ena wena we are going and last game you were playing you played the full match so now you are on the you are not even on the 18 in fact you are on the 2 years pay
2 years pay
that's when you realize things are no longer okay
yeah nana ro qabana vie ka yona da dinyore last time ona la tsela hore ki cheke di chomi tjore next time me ovale fa khwabane le Johannes Mini
and ba tsoko ka sia
so I cannot violate but I can tell me tsamala batho ba why batho ba khrotumoni batho ba ke batho le go batla go chintsha mtondo batlo ngina ntwe jila you understand so I claim move al bona ke mmutsitse ke rama ke batho ba ka sia ka famisa una le magoa ke bana ba va kaofela una le makhalati ba va kaofela una di foreigners di va kaofela so wa sa bule bona ska nna o bua le nna no pitso I don't want you to tsamela batho ba because batho ba se ba to retire so ba to fedi makangcondo tloela batho ba ke re bat coach asi phela mo aka class kela ke sibani la family yaka njanje tsa ratse ba keng ke tlo iqhaqa ntwe yalo so var a face Johannes Mini pele ar go jwetsa ke tlo vaya aksa o batla wena that the problem is that leda so tlamile ke tsamela mang se tlamile ke tsamela batho ba batla le bona o njwetsa ke tsamela bo se ke mhlatjwa because ke player tsa high a tena mpitsa side e mona bona mfiti joina tlola agent ya high Mark Makap joina Stan Matthews agent ya high so kam njwetsa ka na I cannot do that mutho uzi Mark Makap se ke na lana ko tele I don't know me go for another contracting we happy if you got joina batho ba like hana.
So by that time when you got to SuperSport, your agent is Mike Makap.
Yeah.
But now you're being advised to join another stable.
Exactly. So now ke join so kama ke pitso msimane. Anjutsa ro tlamfa extend contract yakhe.
Then you refuse.
I refused. No ways. Cannot do that. Kabakele coward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then your contract that was about to end.
No. Ne se ke na le season abi 2.
So on season 2,
Season 2.
they advised you to change the
Yeah,
agent.
to change the agent.
You said no. And then from there, studying 11s to Mobascars.
Toma Baskar jwale sa ke dula go tla go Jardine.
You have jarta outside El Campo.
Aksale camp.
Wa jima fe.
Ke jima me bra. Look ke bo gymming. Ne I remember there was a time pula ina ona le trialist te kona le teng a lo trial le. Antsa dlala ko
City Pillar.
City Pillars. So ba tlile for trial. Ba me invite. Pula yana. Ya shapa me bra. Are man. Was all like trialist about 2 hours ba kenya ba trialist ka ofela. Ba na the last person la sam kenya bo training. Mo game. E lo la friendly game, practice game le team. Ke a ntlela ntla motho a dule mo.
Pula enzo
Me bra. Batho ba ba tse ba teta o fetsa o dlala ba re va yantsa mo hlapang le tlo tshwara ke flu. Wena dula mo. Wa tsa kile ka ngala. Ka fela ka va ka ska mjwetse. A fita mo dressing room mpotsa wa ke ngala. Ke re ya bona mo ska game e fedile 2 minutes. So ke tlo etsa nga 2 minutes. No na le big head wena.
So in that game, unyagilo go dladisha mara 2 minutes.
No, that game it was a practice game.
Yeah.
So we prepare for the next game. The PSL league game. So no normally ne retsa jwalo. No practice game take too long. Then like even what's about philosophy.
Yeah.
Bo like formation how maybe let's say unale somewhere mo ile kanting o sa khotso batati.
Yeah.
So batati nyana tse nyane tse na bo.
We perfect.
We perfect, don't understand. So that by that time pula nina jo re lala le yona da team nyana tse tsenyana. O kenya boteko, o kenya bomang. Le title mo sa bona motho a teng hayo. Wa mokenya wena ke dutse ka montle. Pula yana. Yena o dutse tshwere umbrella na ke kentse jacket di. Ka mmotsa ka ni mo. Ai ke tsena ke ngala ne ke tsamaya. Taba problem ka qaba. Anjwetsa Raymond na bona mfiti. Mona ke nna rula mo. A se sbuke mo tswang teng vale mo lo tlo jetsa re go star sa teng mo ke nna. Ha ka mo jetsa me bra. A ngono ke vai. A ba tlo ntita so. First time we take ke ka vale batho ke khona go dula le bona. Next thing ha potlo jetsa re ke tsamela bo sinki mhlatsho. No mbe a bo benching. O ke interalist. Ngono re tlwele. Mpomva isi. Wa itse da manu la etsa. Da manu la tla mo ke dulang teng, se ke dula ka go Pitori ka mo. Wa itse da mane ha fitla o ya o founela fa go bana. Nna kana go ne ke tsa license ko nkasiem. Pitori man, come on ntlen.
Mahamanskra.
Mabopai. Ai tlo ke tkhutele morao. Ke lo kopana ke re tlo bua ntwe e le re ina le ngcondo wa tsa o tletseng wa utlwela hore makhelwane wa ka o re ne ke ntse party jwa party efeng ke ra wa nna ke sa tsa party ne re ituletse fela re chebeletse game ke montsi tsa montsha mo dulang teng ne ke na le riding ya DVD fela di TV because ke mo ke irile teng I cannot buy big sound and in ke impatletse nthunyana tse TV decoder nyana a fitla mare makhelwane o itse ke re mo bitse makrizo a tla makrizo ke makriza ke sound e fine relate ke party fine events because ne re shebeletse game no ne nentse party in kra no there's no way makriza ke mitsa ka zwala makriza tlo sheka go tlu coach checka ka tlu coach a fitla ka go tlu wa bona sound ai wa still wa hatel emon unwenze party kra coach bua dvaro una le something we batlang hona go jwetse ska tlo mbungisa ntho hore ke intse but ke sound we kae a ke na sound ke dula mona ene ka be that time ke dula le mkoro le ka khiso le tshwenyo o tsone re tswa Free State se re tre
Yeah, did you same complex?
Same complex. Next thing o sa batla o sa ba search something ka bonang e loring e tlo etsa it will vana ka evidence ya we wa o iqina etsa o qina sha mampanaki mapanaki mo ka mo charti o check mapana ka check al papana ke wa bona bu savana di mapana ke a khale mapana
Yeah.
ke a se wa ka lo ka kwa tsi because in the rural apartment thing a re bona no di savana ke re a coach ke go ka butsa malemamu ha ke no biala ha ke tsubilutsu so why you accuse ka ntse jwalo no pitse ndaba dadi nya ha ya gore o batla o itsa o ka re o na le o arrogance nyana ke re no coach bua ntwe bua mo batlang wona ko jetse maro sala nko po ngva ise
But then you decided that now I want to leave.
I want to leave. I think I took 5 days. Because I moved Jimmy.
What's that, Jimmy?
Ja vela a phone la ntse mo to Jimmy. Ntse go need. Ke boela mo Jimmy. Then after that ke tletse nyana bo 2 to 3 games nyana. After that I decided what's about ke file. And ha ke va jwa le ke phone la ke Goodman Mazbu wa mo jwetse mo ke mo jwetsa mathata ka Goodman in fact. Ke na problem ya da ko share ena na mathata le last time in city e kenya player a yona Tsinki Mhlatshwa ko iti so now o vela change vie o sa kenya Tsinki Mhlatshwa next thing there was a time I beg you about Chela start say una story sa re fitile no tshore ne re tla le Swailosi Steve Lukwele wa fitla ko camping ele go na tswa somewhere so wa feta on phone le mo ke batla kopana le wena man ke batla nyugo sam kana nyugo ke tla ka fitla kasi okay sharp ema ka ntle ke azwa so that time ke go kopana Steve that time ne ria loja pre-match so ho tsuwa ka ofela so ke nna ke fire re start in 11 what's I can say what's the reason why or chabeti Steve Lukwele I tell you Steve Kwela is a star. How coach? Ka get 18 vie.
Just before the game.
Just before the game. Corone tatila ke. En real premier meeting. Ara fitla premier meeting. Chance. There's a change, tactical changes. Was a bual start in 11. Peter out. Cranston. Keep with his motor.
Now you start talking to somebody. I assume at that time Goodman must be said Moraga Swallows.
Yeah, by that time.
Then you talk to him.
Yeah, then I spoke to Goodman Mazugo. He like a current. But security talent to take allowing Tsinki Mhlatshwa, some of the players there. Bas panale, looking to one. What to repeat ke agent ya bona because Salaba coach from the Youth Academy ya bona and I think academy thing in a coach again na lebo Coach Paradise unona that academy ya bona lebo mkoroba na ntse ba coach ke bona that academy.
So now you close SuperSport chapter, you go to Moraga Swallows. When you go there, it's a new contract, it's not a loan. That sign is you are not being bought, it's a clearance. Your contract is failed SuperSport. I renew.
No, it's okay fail. It's guy easy. The thing. It's guy easy.
So ibang sale or loan?
In a loan. It's a loan. But so I say about interested. And you say, when I go back, serious. Go back out the contract. SuperSport is good seat. I think he can kill a season before Kasai. Lebon. Then Kasai na lebona. Elore seba bona or le nna ke ba jwetsa no ha ke sa batla go tlela mo
ke ne go dula
mo that's when ke dula mo ko Swailows le teng Swailows ko pana le ntse bae
ai ke mathateng a manga pe go Swailows problem ke ngo Swailows
ai Swailows problem ke racism Leona to head coaches sometimes coaches tena ke tsona tse tsang to tse siona tse senyang bo team babo because now team tse ding di coach tse ding ke di agent ska ketso ke di agent tsa di players go tsore ba bang ba share di agent banthola o mong o tola agent ya ke let's say for example Mike Makap well under Mike Makap coach ona le player engwe e teng vie e wela under Mike Makap go etswa di deal so when I tla no dlale a great day. Sometimes you know in a logic so. Let's say Coach Pito or Coach Sundowns, let's say, for example, Coach Sundowns. Mara unzatse ba Pito Lukoni. Wela under na. Wela under stable saka. So now, utlamile Pito Lukoni a start ya kai. A start ho Hariki Polokwane City. From Polokwane Sundowns. Polokwane da uyiswa ke ena that coach, the very same coach. Utsebana coach ayani kuri ba bantse ba mingile ba bua ka phone.
Yeah.
So utlisa player a thole game time. A jotse motho o tla mgafa. Amdladisi. So player obviously a udlala regularly. Wanganthola uwamashora confidence wanthola and up ugcina so etsa Sundowns yena sale Sundowns awuthi kyabatla mfethu ha re buisana ha jotse mthula emina bona wena o fitla man o bue so if u batla bukana wena go batla bukana budget it and outside the club ke teng tla dula mo phela contracted player no even now coach Arebamo mare not all of them some of the players Anton the contracts tsona di etswa mo coach Arele.
So some basainwa management, but coaches are just there to listen.
Yeah.
And some basainwa coach are direct. So when you go to Swallows, who's the coach?
Kevin Hunt.
When you got there, you start playing, or you played later, or you were playing outright.
No, Gilala, but Gilala is Mario was playing. Yeah, because that time, Kimang Otina man, this guy. Anamata Makokoba, Bemita Makoko.
Lucas Sibona.
Lucas Bona. Kila time I signed ki Sundowns.
Yes.
Oboda the time atwa Sundowns.
Yes.
So night like nito replace aye. So Kimak McVeigh, so same position ngelala. Kimak McVeigh, kin Sibona, Sibona watsama. So time lo salena, le McVeigh. So problem me Kimak McVeigh kilengam. And by the bakopara di coffee yana le Kevin Hunt.
We're now chasing.
Now chasing Gava. What coffee?
So, Naswalos Maraumnat Marov, why game time here and there?
Then,
yeah.
I have to wait when I no one you are moon. No one you are Macalat. Now, I'm a Macalatin.
So, you were divided?
Yeah, we were divided and like.
Then, what did you know Swallows and Ovaila who did Swallows?
Swallows, I've played for three. Yeah, I think it's 3. 3 new. Like Nere change after Papa Cecil O'Sale from Celtics. Only two from Celtics, which are not to replace that. Which are necessary so that you have a guy. One of them face. Understand? Because now, none of the so Nini Rejotori. If you battle the Clarissa Rona, there was a time Arbitra Albert Committee or Jota Reban. That's a king. They too relaxed. Alberto Zalatisk. And now, if Lebata via, Legata office no, like office in Hona no, Lebal Fitcher Salon. Because now they're too relaxed. Kim what's a question? How do you get too relaxed to work? Because you do get training. And I do get a trouble handling. The last time we see it, because that's why I'm for reason. Every time we do want I keep on couple of glass snacks, no hold on to Raymond. Problem is so. There was a time we had the Chiefs. And then we could correct goalie to lemon of the match. The secretary to reclaim it. Which will ban sebe like a Farren Bosch or Boda Farren Bosch, the late Farren Bosch. Yan and with some pizza like two. That man will complain again. And on about was about my office man. Because that's about potentially how. So Pamis and Tonak. Which was Otolala, I came to obey to the Cape to Tolagaton. Which was Otolala came to big teams like Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns. Came you. that time on a game it Chiefs. It was Coca-Cola Cup. So tlamehile re dlala le Chiefs. I'm just saying, ke me re tlo dlala Coca-Cola. O tlo ba start dilama. O njwetsa before re dlala. Like o njwetsa in 2 weeks time or in 2 weeks time le lo dlala le Chiefs. Wawe sharp o tlo dlala. Be ready. It's the extra training. Ke tshuna the extra training. Mark Williams a tle go training. A ke re ke dimpinch. So Mark Williams na mfavor le. A njwetsa bona ntwane na right ntwane. Just that when I'm kina pressure. At Lona Mark Williams and Demon. Moto ukina pressure too much. But now, as a player, relax. When I span got tato how and into the bar. Don't focus more on the coach. Okay, but now like tola pressure. Why tola pressure? What one but tola as I told pressure get tola. Kidwa ke take on to this you. Kidwa ke take wa kidwa ke choka ki Kevin Anti. I say Kevin Anti. Ki office Leon Prince. Why?
But at that time, Pitso, you are playing and their complaint. Is your life outside football in order, or you are having a little of distractions at times, or there are no issues outside football?
No, there was no issues outside football because now as a player, Eloring, okay, the total bolong kakamon ledite. Yeah, as Ralu in most cases, like ba tlo enjoy ne re tulela ka mo charity mo re dulang bitsa bo choose bana tlo re tlo iplomela e silent tsa rona trixinyana tsa rona re be mnati then now o molo mo va mo yanting ne re sna le wona then yes ne re tswa sometimes because football sometimes you tlo get stress you understand nini wa dlale nini wa dlala nini o iphutisa diputso re man why mo ka dlale motho a dlala and when I check out support everyone wow to remember when I'm marking kawe there was time when go super sport Pitso Msimana interview ai arki injar ke sinjar lo ba motsa why o sa tla di Pitso Msimana Pitso Lekone arki injar ke now motho o wa ke injar ke phone la ke utinya nengwe ya kick off remon a fe to injar ke na ki injar zangi be injar no Pitso Msimana o chulo jwa ko interview and sendele la nya bule nga give a shock till now so surprised na inja ira na never wana sen churi na se ke bona football as long as coaches in the agent footballer na na modlo ya teng was now struggle no di player engwe lengwe no tse dlalantse di dlalisa because of coaches ki di agent coaches ki the agent coaches ke di something good players 20% baba 10%.
So at times there are players who will play because they paid something, not because they are performing.
Yeah.
And now let's talk about a sensitive issue, which is money. Is there money in football for players? Are you guys paid well and well looked after when you are playing?
Not exactly. By the time we dlala ne se child in Siko, we play because of love. Like I go just mo starting anything. Ke startile ka 1.5 but now ne ke na le ratulela football ne ke bona ne ke na le vision e ga.
So it wasn't about money.
I want to go some in yes.
Because you know why I'm asking that? It's because there is this perception that football players badlala ka zaka. You know, but sometimes they don't understand how maybe that money azange la idira for a start. Because so but if you are not telling us like you are now to say but I started football earning 1,000 rand, we'll never know. We'll just think Pitso dlarile ko Free State ko Super Sport Swallows na gola zaka o dlarile kan, and it's what I'm sure you guys had look guys you get for Pitso abana no ba dlarile ka zaka, but sometimes there is no information or no. You thought there was money because when we see on TV week in, week out scoring goals, getting man of the match, we think it's money, only to find out it's just the love of the game and you're just happy for that 90 minutes to be on the pitch.
The thing is, I care about Mokasi, they don't understand the bigger picture. They don't understand background or kamo teaming with Alan like Swallows. Swallows is skinny team that at the very time. yes, super sport nearly professional. Professionalism, everything nearly professional. Organization, the way structures, the way thing, you understand? Ne development and development. More go Free State Stars. Nearly see you already. Free State Stars by the time they fit, there's no sponsor. There's no sponsor next at all. They be like a cheesy. Engwe sa batho ba bone ba sa jam le bitso ne le petchu ka plaster ngole mama Mokoena ele Mokoena so up until we can able to pity that's why to this sponsors are Bonitas
yes then we were
Peterinyana but now how can check out like structure the way you see link thing I ne ka utsa hlogo ska go chaela players some players ne dula go clubhouse the ena 1.5 regular player ne thola 1.5 Jimmy Cowles Pitso Lekone because ne regular 1.5 but they didn't know that
yeah
so and that's why footballer no la concern really different because now players know babile nyoka pele batlela e career ya bona nti inwelela you understand because some players know yes they getting money there's big money in football no because it's business go into chinchile and feel like a business that's why I told the agent to do the things that lead coaches because they've seen this thing is business and about it's all about it's business unona utlisa player a fela etswa Mozambique itle go rona fela go team Mamenyang ana fila o fitetse go rona una dula go rona nyane ngwenyane go team stay Mamenyana sina sepa mara weekend wa dlala lungisana indlela na go 1.5 lungisana no shapa net every time mana to 1.5 una bua le na ibua openly umona mtu wa right to we had to rona the teammates ai re buelele le some of officials tsa bona e mona ba fit ke se tlala le mtho ha thaba so kana go gona re experience because the second na go delegate go tse ke go phisela so ne ke re ka experience play so e to ke nyemithini le bo Kevin Hunt ka fela re ba fit ga le kopa ba fit to never performelo and la mona wa vuta ushapa neti wamona mtu wayibetsa netu kilungisana indlela kinto tsanza high celebration yana opula yali kana go gona 1.5 le gona o checka rona le gona re lwana nyoko tsa rona nene re une Coca-Cola cup a re thole ndindu zakatsa ti
no bonus nyana ya
wa mebra no bonus I think bonus it look like about promise or no if we winner this cup it was 50-50 hauna uma tlo thola nyu tlo thola kana umuntu tlo thola ka key ke tletse ke mtse ngata mara zang thole game so re ke tsamaya super swallows ke fa iso gore ne kotwa de bana ba nkolta nyu so nyu ka teng ne le ona cup e re winne le va sa nunfi ba tlo decide ko kanti e etsa letsi singobe no tshore ba mkenitse nyugo ba mtransferetse nyugo ke swallows next thing ba claim hore nyugo e tlamile khutle o tshore e romela from Cape Town ba kenya account ya singobeni banki hape go ye ba mjotse mona o awe hore ona le zaka ke ni mole so zaka yo gentse mistake go kentse wena ra ba tla back kopa we transfer le back singobela ga ena no transfer ke atle bon vice
as a transfer back
no abang advisor le re mon ntwe ke mjwetse mona simfetu ke etsetse ke the same thing o yetsa di so ke tse ga ba tlo vice o tlo batho bana ba etsa Leon Prince de ma transfer ga nyo go batho ba next thing ba tlo we could say back se le abo tlo ba claima because the owner ona dula Jamie na based coach Jamie which is pork ne le tsamaleng le khoti nyana ke le tla once re dlala le tla go Cape Town la re jotsa ba introduce ne this is pork ke ena the club owner so bana ene le batho ba tshwereng ka mo bontol so no ba claima dizaga ka kwa hore mana una le some players tse batlang zaka tsa tsona so ba wa ka inyo bona ba transfer ba ihule ba ke tshuri nyugo ha ba ka transfer ba o chaila ba phone le mo tshilete nyugo e kenin zaka e kenin mo ke mistake renze mistake so go kopa o tlise back
but then on the owner ya ko Germany the book shows as balifile
zaka
then ba re busha zaka wa re no
ka re no ba re mona e busi ka ga never a re mona ke re mona never no you still owe me phela nyungu e kentseng ke nyungu e nyane so ba tla zaka ka ya cup ba tla zaka ka it's non fee so a we ke ka tshilete o ngolta nyona fela ka o fela nje no pitso ko paska di meeting please ko paska meeting ntho ya re fello nna le wena tsa mongya zake ko account e ke go sendetse yona a re never
azango I return
azange
ba o patela ne ba e kolota
kana go ge ke ne the time Aziskara o bola Aziskara wa ko FCK
yes
kana go o signa di players tse tswang from Pirates o batla di players tsa batla o former team ya Kamvela so then I spoke to that guy then qeda deal so ka kante agent ya ka kana go ne se ke tloletse Mike Makaba se ke joinile which is this guy who what they call it was Jasmine aba against na aba against to ke bua no khutsa zaka ke re mon ka khutsa zaka e jwang batho ba mang kona en se na go telele phela so ke se khutsetse zaka batho ba le mone khutsetse ara ba se batho vice ke ga Jasmine aba mvice so ke my mind e tla ntwela ora o tshore mthula o dila ba o ba jaka o fela and so far vela Jasmine nezilena I batlisa that player ada go Swallows o tshwe player tse pan le tsa Jasmine go Swallows by that time Thapelo Duao ile la Jasmine na sa Juneland Swallows you understand yeah
then now Bago Vaisha is it clearance is it contract if it has not been renewed or ungadile wa how do you move from Moroka Swallows now to FCAK
ke tsabeile le re se ba re transfer list
yeah and the main reason is because now you are not returning the money
yeah
so transfer list now you are go FCAK
yeah
who's negotiating your deal go FCAK
ke na ke la ka negotiate to be honest with you
yeah
ke la ka negotiate go sure ke bone something like ka go tsa re Jasmine ona spana le Swallows na spana team tse ngata but anyway but Swallows is most at least at player fits the Swallows so no dealing mo ne push here between yana le Kevin and you understand so re a retain you se ke bona ona something o reng wa itse mabo ha ba tlo ntshwetsa yona hore ke eng e tle go etsala ke tsena ka mjwetsa tsa ke lo wena kopo un contract ya ka nna lo please kopo yeah.
So now for FCAK, I remember when FCAK was coming into the picture, it was this team with more money that was going to compete with Motsepe, Mamelodi Sundowns at that time. Lifit FCAK, like Reazaki, Nervala Kayo.
That was a joke, infinity. That was a joke. What about we stood, I think, 4 months as a whole. Not even a single day.
Salary lay 1 month.
Lay one.
Nzeleza.
Tere trainer ga dlala. Kachima ga dlala. So promisa next since checked the freeze so na le something tsebe ing ba batla dinyoko tsa bona ba tla checka ho tsala e manyane re tla ne re fe 1000 rand 1.5 rona re emena le sila ke mbuze sila ke sila mfethu ntwe e mo never re yetsa na ntwe tjena mo na team re fetile season tse gola ka 1.5 neng ba booster ama next stepend nyana tla ba in closer ga 4 point mama ke re ke ba isa case le sele ke case sele ha re lena jo tsa re mana re into saf puma ke re ya
le ba reporta union
ya union ke fa re tswere go ma le ba re ke ke Marodman le la ka sia ka le ei ko ke mo lebetse bitso la ke ene re ya o yena da re mo jwetse mo Marodman go pa go thuse mo season se bile fela a se thule salary tsa rona tsa khathola salary tsa kwa wanyu ne batho ba ro a vela bula kiss ke rona first two players tse thotse nyu tsa bona
settlement
mara te re ga ropiwa
yeah mara something yana yake
ya ke
mara si aya felela
ro tshore se re batlang re ngadile
yeah
ha se batla nix se re jo tsitswe vela nje o tholona le tovalo re ka wa mangolo na le sele re ka wa mangolo te ba fethu tswara mangolo re ka wa ke Daniel Madao Daniel Madao ka mangolo ba fethu tswagala ngipitso yeba ke ingwetsala emtshwara ke re ke izaka a re ai to bana
clearance
review high until they further notice for what renting apparently to go on a influence and the player
so that's how you left FCK
that's how we left FCK ba re komana na Aziskar ha fitla go office ba tsa Aziskar hayo Aziskar hayo jwa ha we overseas wa chika e mara totse mangolo kya o pora tama le khotma le ba ke mkwena ma
which one
the guy who na le ko squatting
yeah I forget the name but I remember the name
yeah who pula the name
he was an official
ko squatting yeah
yes
kena that guy kena re tsa mthu ile over skanti mthuti ha tse binis kanti revise wa ke mang ke Diamond o churuile da alo sabotage Aziskar ha re thola information inside I'm totally kena batla le vibe
so now you've left FCK chapter closed the team in your eyes is a joke anyway
yeah it's a
there's
joke
nothing to fight for to say I want to stay then where do you go after FCK
ka dula ko hae
yeah
ke dutse ko hae ka dula ka lo chima le Highlands Park before until ka o ne mtsepe league I think yeah chimalo ba promise ba ga tlo isada go batla game time wabo it's ka dula ya then ke ya glo try la ka go first team to Highlands Park ne tsamana le ka rene di Procate ona Highlands Park le Platinum Stars a then kopana le na manager tsa ga tlo sai ke ga hana ke Calvin na Calvin ya tsa ga I don't know type ya the coach
yeah Kevin Johnson yeah how santo sign the coach ara
mara coach ara ne ke mang coach e tswang go ne tswa go Sandazelo coach out
Miguel Gamondi yeah
he was interested go nna ge mona wena mona ke o kwena ka sign na for my opinion nna ke nna o player ka ke tlo sebedisa a botsa Kevin wena mona o nana ka mena no ntona re mise somewhere
then the Platinum Stars movie ya fail ka di le man o lwana left ila so rara di ka vena ga te seila seila ke re o gona o bua le boss e ka veni le na o batla player ga tsa di game so seila o ke na tlisa nda o tla tlisa da so khusha ga interested a ntse ya ntseba bare a itsebe dintho dilo tsa ka tse ke di etsa mo strating ha ona ntwe hlaela hore pitso la etsa jela pitso a wall pitso a ke re bela ba di search ntho tse jwala field player yeah
ba gona o search ro lifestyle outside lifestyle of the pitch
so now Platinum Stars out of the picture what's next
mfana ka dula wa tseba ka dula
now by the time you Zaka again
ai ke ni me bra
uphela kae
me bra ke kuzama me bra ya zama ke kena ka ke tsa
transition e baila ona le go Super Sport so le se sa lo
ka pais
o decide to baisha
ka decide to pais
it doesn't help o sore ke tla lo ba ka trans
va ka trans what's the use
now how is the transition from driving a car we rekisha o boela ko kasi o ba ka taxi the pressure ela hore ba tlora bona beats o dila le yona jwang
that time I qeta o tlwela o dlala ne ntse re na le ndawo re dulang mo yona le bo cheese so ndawo teng re ipaetse yona ne re share cheese so ne ntse ke dula mo by the time so cheesy he was that guy he was there for now, I understand. Yeah, le Sila Chabana, he was there for now.
They supported.
They supported a lot in Prague.
Yeah.
You know what let's say rule by.
Yeah.
So they one kill about Dula now for about my bragging. I understand the difficulties there. Plum. Skako gas because by the Baba Hono one it over into Joan it over pressure. So Nalruna Mona, we enjoy Marwena so long to something will come up. So neke always do a chima. No nek do a thing nel Albertine, churuna le crown do mo kamara le complex. Nek do la disc will keep the remi, bo batukada, una do la chapara no kon planting. So do go in do entertain, result for side. The bo chabu pule riketsa the top 8, top 12.
Just inside the complex. And keep him fit also for you because you don't have a team.
Yeah, li go Wembley, when I Wembley go Telefontaine.
Yes.
Ne re fa fa site mo. Ne re le keep up busy. Body Sundays ne ne ke se ke dlala le bo Mlefintsweleng. Wa bona Mlefintsweleng.
Yes.
Motapele di ao ace. Ne re dlala le bona bo di games at Sundays games. Wa bo. So ke tsona ntwe ne keep up busy. But those two guys ke bona ba lo reking. Ne man bankavile, you understand?
Yeah.
So wa fitla na go itse ra tseking. Se ke le comfort zone. Why ke sa khutile ko kasi ke le khono khutla hape maybe something come ke ba just ke ba do something fit I know ke bona comfort zone so I never feel so ke tlo ba grand so need to go back ke lo ithola hape anya so I did ke khutetse ko kasi
la fitla ko kasi and you've already you ditukishije in your mind,
yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, whoever says what, it's okay.
It's okay.
Everybody will struggle.
Anything is I think and get motivated. So I'll at least can make just into an attenyane hore gaming industry ni o jwang wa understand ke ba fe tsela guidance on because le na rona kopane tse ngata like go jwetsa from First Stars le wona mo le ne kopane tse ngata le wona mo le ke lona le assistant coach Themba Stole le na o tla di players tsa hae wa understand re thola di big players Bothato Mokoena Themba City le bona ba na le favorite tsa bona le bona ba batla go dlala bo David Dlamini you understand so go tle we have to re tlamile lwana go kena mo gona re batcha re bantša mo gaming
so basically football life is a continuous stress as long as you are not inside the pitch.
Remember
stress is inside the pitch is better because you are just dealing with an opponent but outside
the stress le zone because ikare o ka ke duna ke no nkare ga describe jwa me bra ikare ka something cage you understand because o fisa la ntse ngata
and ke stress
o fisa na go phela ha o tsama mo tswa mo strategy ya bo molo o to kopara di questions ba o maka roga wa tsaba bo Jimmy Collins o la roga player o supporter a ka ta fetsa o dlala a sa dlala grand a vela go sha ba tsaba supporter mo wa wetsa ntwe tse I'm Rakhimon. I'm Rakhimon. Jimmy, you don't do that. This is supporter, me bra. You cannot do that because now wait us so. How sign him too? Cannot supporter. So ulana le and wow mnuzi. Come Luisa. Relax.
But now the other thing, how do you guys deal with this issue? Most teams are feel there's a certain ritual that they perform. They call it Khalakhaleni. And also among you as teammates, how is this? How do you guys handle this?
Remember, you need to be strong, to be honest. You need to be strong, like mentally.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, I threaten a fellow when I was tennis machine. There was a time I did regularly. Yena kana go walemala untadlala lemala wathala nje tsa ngitretena wena ngizoyele ekhaya wena uzonade kahle utwa Swaziland uzonade kahle wena ushurana nje tsa uri ke amloya uri wena uva ka sekhalakhala so nna zangi bethuge nini azange ke just ra o ahlanya ke itlalla bolo ke mo itlalla bolo no ha ona ntwe ya re ke tlo batla go thusa ke motho so hape ke I think it's ke tactics tsa di player cause ke fight ke re phela re lwana di position so o molomo o batla dlala o molomo o batla go ba ka godimo o mo batla go recognize ke supporters o mo media understand because some of the players barata that fame so rena ba ba rena dilona fame ke ntwe e lo reng rena le ona let's say wena go player e tsebang disk o rata ke supporter dlala bolo enjoy ke supporter so obviously fame tlo ithola because ba tlo re bua ka bitso la hao every time bitso le koni kanti kana go yena hana yona dadinye yena just the ordinary play.
So how fitla go teaming, either you believe in this multi thing or you don't. When they do it, you must do it.
Yeah. Honestly, some of the teams.
Yeah.
Coffee Sisters. Neki choose. Awa, neki hanan. No akimu.
But halka loser about play me ngaka ere kidima.
Ay. More the Coffee Sisters no joan. But after ke go Super Sport, that's when kibona or yi. Wa dula bechi. Ba o tlosa ba va lova. Tsholo tla mno wetse ntwe ba etsa.
Into team
etsa tla mno yetsa. Chilos. Tla mno wetse ntwe team etsa. Marwale luckily Chilos ke mangamla they don't believe in that.
Yeah.
Some of them never itlela ba itawetse fela go training.
Yeah.
Ba tla itawetse game ne was like the team is player tse di tla bo late. Premiership ni like see ha re closure. Fitla ka tlamile 7 o'clock be se da. Motho mai fitlela ka 10 o'clock. Some of the players fitla ka 10 o'clock.
Sure. So now in about to close, the other thing that usually I think it is a challenge, but I don't know if you guys go for it or it comes to you. It seems the minute you are a famous footballer, by default you start attracting girls. They called in those days, I think when you were playing days, they were calling them soccer babes.
Soccer babes, yeah.
and it seems like they target you.
Yes.
And how do you guys now avoid this? Because I don't think it can be that easy to ignore it.
No, I think if only like I believe that. I always believe if unale that mentality we like as something elore, let's say we like a fame, or rata fame. That's when it over attracted for Tinyana to the rata because of kintu ne bad. But if we focus our ele Daniel Kimatanto so, I believe or auto focus on Twinny. Understand? So Runa never plays a job. Never fitla mo ke batla go fitla teng, understand? Ne ke na le target ya ka, ne ke na le vision ya hore ke batla dlala one of the biggest team in South Africa. Understand? Yes, ne ke na le challenge ya go kopana le ngwanyana ne kopana ngwanyana mpitso eng. Understand? So now my focus in the sea on that too much.
And at the same time I believe as you fade in terms of football, they also disappear. They focus on the next big player.
Exactly.
So you started understanding that and you were not.
Exactly.
Yeah. So okay. Well, Pitso, yeah, you've said a lot, man. Let's just close this. My last question to you will be, what do you think football gave you versus what it took away from you? If you had an option to say, I'm not going to be a footballer, I'll be on a certain profession, be a nurse or a doctor, a teacher, would you have went that route? Do you regret focusing on football now looking at what it gave you versus what it took away from you? Or you still say, it's okay, I played football, maybe school wasn't meant for me?
No. And like whatever na football, yes, it's important to me, bra. Important to so nante ke batlang kore at least hanga etsang kore ntwe ka itholang kore go like go etsa batho ba be aware ka ntho tse tsa in football, you understand? Like plus no chelting at to where etsang king koloi, nice time, nice life, you understand? They don't think beyond that. Okay, after football, they think of
And which is not far. It's somewhere around 33, 34,
We
35.
get the point, because football in South Africa, no, if you turn in 30, ukugile mi bra, ba o jwetsa no, mkhalabi. You understand? So now want to say jwalo kuri I would like to now because you know ki tricky every time. You know, ki coach. You understand? You know for now like for now take a coach. Yeah, team ya Juventus no. The assistant del team over ki Isaac Mpasani. Yeah. So now utsholo ke batla ruta bana ba banyane obo like ntwana tsinyana tsetlang upcoming. Hore ho etsalang industry ya football. Like ba tlo kopana le eng, you understand? The challenges ba tlo kopana tsona ba tlamile ba be jwang for tsona, you understand? Even if ba fitla mo le bo stage sense hore ba be fame haholo. Ntho tlamile ba etseng ke ntho e jwang, you understand? Go ba tlamile ntho tse ba go ba tlamile ba ithute tsona ka bo hona go twa tsana le rona re ba advice, you understand? Because now when I play at it like no, I cannot quote the name, I cannot say the name.
Yeah.
There's some players go Kasiaka, go Vale. Be lo ke ba fight ka ba adversity. Lo ba no ba dutse go high. And I also look ke ba butse ntho le ke ba butse ke la ka re kolone. O pula go chaela this and this and this. Okay, see ba tlo ba so. Bona no. You understand?
And nice.
Nice.
Because you didn't have somebody to advise you, but they had you.
Exactly, you understand? So that's why I'm killing keep battle about involved more football. You understand? Or Kausani. Because I love football. To be honest, I want to keep football.
Yeah.
I know football, and I keep something for football.
Yeah.
Something because yes, challenge again. Maybe so I've learned from that. Understand? So not what I baba.
True.
So that's why I keep more in football. Understand? How to behave on and off the field. Like mentality or if Baba Tafila somewhere. Something like that. I'm saying football, because football, if only was not patience. If only football, if only in football, otobata kushare be agent how na mutla ya agent ya kampe kamba ba family ha mother and father finally uncle ya right kana banke ntwena since football ya no ribeso it's because of this, because of agents, because now coaches let's say bad coach civil agents so now ntwela me betse gore ba follow up ntwe ba ratang, and now no for ntwe ba rat if ba fitla la mole baska ba tshepa bo di agent, because agent ke tsona since bolo anyway. You understand? Bola rona South Africa no isinyei because of agents.
True.
You understand? So now gona re etsa jwa. You understand? Because there was a time re lwanela da dinye gona le bosila the time antsa le bo konto ko SAFP re lwanela da dinye re ba fetula awe or career gona tlo career tlo fail. So lona letsa as into the SAFP for Rona. Why can't you tell those guys who rebana? Let me know something irritola after football. Because let's say football for Nakwetele. So now le rete tangro. Until can we go to overseas? Italy, Germany, England. After football, do not something we chola. Go to show they appreciate until it listen for league. Yeah, bo. You understand? Look at Masingo. Masingo nadala Italy, nadala into. Ulaita the late Masingo. Ulatola nyungu za. So buntu nyana tejwa. Kuri ne ribata ulwana la renzi. Ka shut down. Kidi club boss. But you know this thing yaluna must end. And guess what? But you're in team A. So you ask yourself, unali team go SAF. Unali team go PSL. They're not going to SAF. Overseas, there's no such a thing. How you into overseas? How the club post to club post? o ke se be teng committee ya bo safa bo di. So I think ke yona hape senyambo bolo ya rona mo Mzansi. Koski who I mean, come on.
Yeah, sure. Pitso, you've said a lot, and I can feel your passion about football, and I like what you are planning to do. Advising, giving back. We'll engage more. We'll talk more, because it's also what we believe. We need to talk about these things to educate, because we are tired of this thing of saying soccer players this, soccer players that. So I still believe we will engage more with you so that you can continue to share the information and advise the young ones. And I'd like to thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you, Pitso.
Thank you, my brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Pitso Lekone, former SuperSport United, Moroka Swallows winger. And from us, TK Sound and Visual TV, and our show Off the Pitch, we say, please remember to subscribe to our channel, comment and like our channel, and be on the lookout for the next episode. We will bring another legend from the Vaal area. It's me, your host for this season, TK, saying thank you